Hi, this is Liz. I'm the founder of Social Work Exam Strategies. In today's video, we're going to cover strategies that are going to help you answer those difficult questions when it comes to privilege, subpoena, and court order on the ASWB exam. So we're going to cover three strategies. The first strategy would be court order for the client's records. Strategy number two will be subpoena from a lawyer for client's records. And the last strategy would be court order for testimony. So now let's identify the difference between privilege, subpoena, and court order. Let's start with privilege. Privilege is the right to keep confidential information that is shared between the social worker and the client from being disclosed in legal proceedings. Subpoena. A subpoena is a legal document that comes from an attorney. Court order. A court order is a legal document issued by a judge or a court. Unlike a subpoena from a lawyer, the social worker cannot assert privilege for a court order and must submit the client's records. Let's start with strategy number one, court order for client's records. If the social worker believes the release of the client's records can harm the client, the social worker should advocate on the behalf of the client to limit the amount of information that is released to the court. However, if the court or judge denies the request, the social worker must release the records. In the exam, if you don't have an answer option regarding advocating for the limited release of a record, the social worker should provide the information immediately. If a social worker receives a court order, they must not ignore it, as failure to respond may result in being held in contempt of court. It is a social worker's legal responsibility to provide the information to the court or judge. The social worker cannot assert privilege in this scenario. Now let's move on to strategy number two, subpoena from an attorney for the client's records. The first step is to contact the client to find out about their wishes. If this is not an option or the social worker cannot reach the client, the social worker should assert privilege on behalf of the client. When you assert privilege, you are doing so on behalf of your client. The ability to assert privilege allows the social worker to withhold their client's record when receiving a subpoena from an attorney. Strategy number three, court order for testimony. If the social worker receives a court order for testimony, the social worker cannot assert privilege, since privilege refers to the provision of information only. In this case, the social worker's best course of action is to consult with legal counsel. Thank you for your time. If you like our video, give us a like, subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we post new content. Please leave a review on the comment section. If you're looking for study materials or have questions, visit our website at www.socialworkexamstrategies. I wish you all the best of luck. Thank you for allowing us to be part of your journey to licensure. Spread the word of our community of social workers having social workers to anyone that could benefit. Have a wonderful day.